Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll see about the change cycle. Okay, I'm trying to create a new request for change. Okay, I am in that. 1 second. Let me try to create a new one. There are some issues. Just hold a minute. Okay, request for change. New one. Okay, let me select the transaction type. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So here you see the change cycle. So in this system, basically we have two kind of a change cycle only. As said earlier, change cycle will have to manage the system line. It administrates all the transport requests related to the respective transport track while it is defined the transport management system. So basically, we have three kind of cycles. In my project, we have been using three kind of cycles. That is a continual cycle and phase cycle and release cycle. Okay, the continual cycle is nothing but, for example, every project will be having releases weekly basis. Every week they will release some changes to production. Okay, this continually the changes will happen. Okay, so this kind of a continuous cycle will be falling under development without specific phases. Okay, simple phase model, no phase which needed, and this and all phase independent. Regularly it will be happening. And this can be used for an urgent change, a normal change, or standard changes. And the next one is that phase cycle. This is phase driven development. And mostly this is relevant for projects. And coming to the third one is that release cycle. So phase driven development based on the release planning. So for example, let's say, so the releases happens quarterly basis. In a project, quarterly basis means there may be 4 releases available in a year. Every quarter they will release some changes. Those changes should go that time only, because that point of time only system will refresh happen system. In this example, I'm giving a quarter release. In other project, it might be 6 months release. I mean, twice in a year. That happens. Release cycles will be happen, right? Yeah. So these are the three kind of cycles available in the system.